Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I'm shopping at Burlington, and I'm gonna check out the clothing today. The juniors clothes, the women's clothes, see what's new. And I think I haven't really been to this section before. Looks like it's like the sleeveless tops and the workout gear maybe, but I was drawn to this shirt here. It's set $6, and I thought it said blessed, but it's Alessi. So it must be a brand name. And we got some Looney Tunes graphic t-shirts for $7. Yeah, a lot of this is workout gear. It's a Puma. This Puma shirt is so cute. I love the color of it. The peach color. I know when Rihanna, she had a collab with Puma, and they came up with some really cute shoes. So lots of $6 and $7 workout shirts. This Champion long sleeve shirt is $12.99. I feel like it should be on clearance because it's long sleeve. So I think I'm gonna go somewhere else because it's the workout area, and you know, it's kind of getting repetitive over there, so I'm gonna see what else they have. They have this little t-shirt and pants set for $13. That's a good price. And you could work out in that if you wanted. And here's like a hoodie and a short set. And look at all these tie-dye shirts. They're like $6 tie-dye rainbow shirts. Those are super cute. Look at this one. It has distressed holes at the top. And it's just $6. So cute. Very cute. And then they have these skirts. Distressed looking skirts. And then this bright pink shirt caught my eye. And it's a plus size shirt for $11. Has perfume on it. That's so cute. They also have this black one. And it has like a lady with flowers in her hair. With some bling bling. So those are some cute shirts. So I'm going to go over here to graphic shirts. Graphic t-shirts. And they got a little Pokemon for $7. Cute black and white floral v-neck for $8. And a $6 shirt with a bunch of Bible verses on it. A little tie-dye shirt for $7. You know, as much as I come here, I see different things all the time. $8 for this smiley face. I feel like they are constantly selling these clothes and getting new ones, because some of the stuff I have not seen, like the Tweety Bird shirt I think I have seen, but a lot of this I haven't seen before. Now I'm going to head over to the women's blouses and see what they have. So this is a super cute dress, and I think I'm going to make a video with just the dresses, so be on the lookout for that. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.